going to start by getting a little off camber here. You can see the surface right here is very uneven. So we're going to showcase our impressive suspension we have in our Jeeps. So even though that surface on the left and the right is very uneven, we're staying nice and stable. All four tires stay on the surface below us. Aiding to that is having that sway bar disconnected electronically there. It's a touch of a button. It's allowing for 25% more wheel articulation. Let's go over to our pitch and our roll and our off-road pages. So we're going to go 25 to 30 degree angle on this one. You see we stay nice and stable even at the degree of angle, no worries.
Wow.
All of our Jeeps have a very low center of gravity, along with a little bit wider of a wheelbase. So the 392 comes with 35-inch tires, giving us 12.8 inches of ground clearance on this one. So plenty to get up over a flight of stairs should you need to. Standard ground clearance in Rubicon without the 35 is going to be 10.8, still plenty. If we did hit anything below, everything hits, no worries. All the vital components are all fully protected with steel skid plates. And we do have rock rails on this as well.
Best sounding one too.
The best sound, yep.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go a 40 degree angle up, 40 degree angle down, and it's about 23 foot high hill. I'm just gonna crawl right up here. That exhaust is just
Sweet.
it's intoxicating. Get you a good view of the show from up here, bird's eye view. This is where the forward-facing camera in a situation like this really comes in clutch, because we can't see much over the hood of the Jeep right now, so it really aids in helping us. And if we needed to stop for any reason, we could stop as well. No worries, even at that 40 plus degrees. All right, now we got this obstacle called the crevasse. Utilizing our forward-facing camera again, we're going to keep the V of the crevasse nice and centered through our dynamic grid lines there. So with our impressive four-wheel drive system, along with some good all-terrain tires, no worries, keeps us nice and centered on there, no sliding either which way. So here, showing you on our off-road pages that our sway bar is disconnected. You can also lock up your front and rear axles if you needed to. So we do have open diffs right now, nothing's locked up. A few buttons here if you wanted to wire up some different accessories. Yeah, some lights, a
So
winch.
all this was open diff.
Open diffs right now, yeah. Nothing's locked up at all. So you could lock up the rear only if you just needed a little bit. You know, you can lock up the front and rear if you're doing some crazy stuff over in like Moab or something, right? Let's go back to our pitch and our roll. This one's best seen from the outside. You can see the front tire is just kind of hanging there in the front, but it's still touching the surface below. And all the axles are all contoured every which way. But we stay nice and even up there.
Everything's just stable.
Power roof in this one touch open close. So we got everything in this one.